Wagwan, wagwan. Welcome back, beautiful people. Yes, man. Alright, so you all see the title, you all see the thumbnail, so you know what this video is about, right? Yes, man. Alright, so in the past, many of you have seen me introduce my family to YouTube, from DJ Wicked to Kim, and you know. So there's someone else, guys. There's someone else, and this person is my brother, one of my older brothers. Yeah, so he started, well, he uploaded his first video on his channel, and his content is different from mine. His content is spearfishing videos. Yeah, so he will be doing other vlogs and things like that, but his channel, what he said, it will be mainly based on spearfishing videos and catch and cook and things like that, adventures. So may I ask, don't skip out the video, please. May I ask if you go over to him channel and subscribe. Let him know so I sent you all over there. Yeah, and his channel name is called Stigma Boss, right? Link will be down in the description and also pinned in the comment section. Yes, man, go give him some support. It's a male groom channel. Yes, man, you know we do it over here. So let's go now. We on the road.